All right, I'm sitting here with the famous, venerable, incredible Alice Heiman. If you don't know her, you got to follow her. Currently #1 on the leaderboard. That's
for the web app.
On the web app for the AAISP Leadership Conference. I wanted to ask you a question. We were debating here and laughing about it, and I used to get this on camera. What's your #1 complaint about sales reps when they engage with you?
My #1 complaint is that they set me up in some kind of system that's going to send me out a cadence, and they know absolutely nothing about me, and they just keep sending me stupid emails that have nothing to do with anything about me.
I got an email this morning, I'm not making this up, and it said, Daryl, I looked your profile on LinkedIn, and I can see you're making a huge impact at bracket company bracket.
Oh, I get them where they didn't actually fill the company name in and it's still just company. Yeah. Like nobody even bothered to proofread or check that a company name or a person's name was actually entered in there. I get them all the time like that. And then I get the ones worse where they sent me the message and then they resend me the message with another message on top of it. Like, hey, I sent you a message. Didn't you see that?
Yeah, I love that.
Yeah.
Or you get the email for the very first time and the subject line is re. In other words,
nothing. Like why?
Or blah blah blah, as if this is a follow-on email and you blew them off, but you've never.
Here's the deal. I am a human being. You are a human being. You want to talk to me. Then you better know something about me or I'm not interested in you, right? Like I have no idea who you are, what you want, why you're contacting me. And half the time, I'm not your ideal customer. I don't even know how I got on your list. So take 2 minutes and look and see. On LinkedIn, you can tell what size my company is. You're selling something to an enterprise and you're calling on me. Why? You're just wasting your time. You're wasting email. You're going to blacklist your email because you're spamming people because I will mark you to spam. It's tiring.
It's not often I don't get a chance to get a word in, but this is awesome. I'm loving this. It's what I keep saying to you, okay? Take the time to personalize and connect with your target audience. Play the long game. Don't go for that immediate, can I have 15 minutes in your calendar?
Play the long game and think about who you're contacting. I'm a consultant who works with other companies. Think about making me your friend so I'll refer you versus trying to sell me something. Exactly. Go on my LinkedIn and you can figure it out really fast. If you just look at a few of my posts, go to my Twitter, go to my Facebook, go anywhere, you can figure out what I do really fast. And then you think, wow, she's someone who is an influencer. Maybe if she likes me, she'll introduce me to a few people. And I do that for salespeople who pay attention and follow me and interact with me. I do that for them.
So are you like me when I get those emails that say, I can see you're amazing, you're incredible, or I can see, we align. I love to respond back and say, really? How?
So, well, especially on LinkedIn. Like, oh, yeah, I see we're in the same network. I'd like to connect with you, or I'm enhancing my network and I'd like to connect with you, or I see we have, lots of things in common. I'm like what? ? Like, give me a few. You couldn't take 2 more seconds to say, I see we both like dogs, or I see you went to Indiana University, or anything. And there is stuff, my profile is full of great stuff that you could say. Oh, I see you you used to be with Miller Heiman, and I took Miller Heiman. Like anything. They didn't even bother. And I'm a human being. I want interaction. I want to know that you care about me. I don't just want you to sell to me when you have no idea whether I'm buying or not.
This is your target persona. Factor this into whatever you communicate. All right, Alice, if people want to get a hold of you, what's the best way?
Yeah, just go to tradeshowmakeover.com, right here, tradeshowmakeover.com. I just launched this company in October. It's a startup. I took some curriculum out of my consulting practice of 20 plus years and spun it out into Trade Show Makeover to help companies stop leaving money on the trade show floor.
But, question, marketer to marketer, your Twitter is not Trade Show Makeover.
I do have @Show Makeover. Yes.
Not Trade Show Makeover.
Couldn't get it. Somebody had it. That's so hard.
Do I get bonus points for knowing that?
Yes, you do. You got bonus points for that. Absolutely.
Does that change my standing on the leaderboard?
No. Yes. No, I can't. You have to get in there. But I'll tell you what. It's really cool that the truth is we met online first.
Most of mine
became friends online. And then saw each other in real. Yeah. And it was like old home week. Like, oh my gosh, because you cared about me and what I was talking about, and I cared about you and what you were talking about. And we
played
were
the long game.
Right. Yeah, we played the long game. We played the human to human game.
It's crazy. Alice Heiman, follow her. She's awesome.
follow me.
And if you're at all doing trade shows, by the way, check her out.
Yeah, thanks.
I'm Daryl Prale, VanillaSoft. We'll talk to you soon.